Assalamu alaikum. I am recording few things which are left already. Focus 1.03 Microsoft Excel. So few things were left. So I just wanted to cover. And if I come back to the formulas, we discussed the if, and with the complicated complex if statement was missing. So let me go to the things we are already done. Okay, logical functions, and here we discuss this. We discuss if and or. We discuss the logical operators, conditional operators, and we discuss simple if condition. We discuss the and or condition. Now creating nested if. To allow the three or more outcomes. For example, if this, otherwise, if this, otherwise, if this. So you have so many possible options. So to allow for three or more outcomes, one if function is placed inside another if. So if inside if inside if. To test an additional condition. So more than one if condition, for example, if grade, pay grade 1. If it is true, bonus is 2,500. If the pay grade is not 1, then maybe the pay grade is 2. So if it's 2, then the bonus is 5,000. If not, then the bonus is 7,500. So this is how three conditions are there. Normally we have if condition true, one answer, if condition false, another answer. But here in this case, we are having three conditions. So if one condition true goes here, and then if another condition true goes here, if another condition false, so go here. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss with you this interesting, situation where we have certain conditions. We are saying if it is the employee is below 16, so we can say it's too young, and we don't give any bonus or any benefit to them. Okay, and if the age of the employee, actually this is a driving license fee, for the waiver. So for example, this is a driving license fee for particular age group. So we said if the below 16% is applying for the driving license, is too young, we are saying sorry, you need to come later when you are 18. Okay, or more than 16 in America, here 18. 16 to 45, the fees is $30. This 46 to 60, the fees is $25, and 61 and older, the fees is 20. The majority of the youngsters are making trouble in the driving, so the fee is high, and similarly for the insurance is also high. So how this nested if any cell is less than 16, so we say too young. Anything in the comments or in the text, we put the double quotation, comma. Now comma, we can put the else clause, but not else clause. Instead of else clause, we are having the if condition. So if B1 is less than or equal to 45, that means less than, that means it is automatically not below 16, so it's 16 and less than or equal to 45, so it's 30. And then again, if third condition, if it is B1 is less than or equal to 60, because it's already not here, so that means coming here, so 25, otherwise 20. So there are actually 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. So I'm going to run these 4 conditions using my word. Okay, so these are the conditions I wrote here. I'm just going to remove all here so that you can see this is the data. This is the data. 15, 25, 55, 65 age of the people are applying for, and this is the condition. If the condition is less than 16, then we say too young. If the age is this, we say this, and this is how we discussed as per our slide, right? So let's talk about this condition results. So I'm going to type here a formula equal, and this is if. So we are saying if logical test. Now what we are saying, if cell is C7 in our case, C7 is less than 16. Okay, so what we say, comma, quotation to young, then comma. Now this is the else class, value if else. Then again, we are saying if, again, because it's if, so again, we have to put a parenthesis, logical test. Now if C7, now what is the age? Less than or equal to, less than or equal to 45. So what is the value? We can say $30. So 30, we put 30, comma. Again, there's another if. So again, parenthesis is open. So again, C7, we talk about C7 only, C7 less than or equal to 60. Okay. So again, this is value is 25. Now we don't need to have again if, because it's automatically the last point. So we said comma 20, because otherwise it is also 20. So now we will, because there are 3 ifs, so that there is a one parenthesis over, there is another parenthesis over, and there is another parenthesis over. So 3 parentheses, because first if, then second if, the third if. So we have to close 3. So now you see that 2 young is coming. So I will just copy the formula. I move the mouse when there is a plus sign comes here. So automatically you see the 50 age is, that means 30. And if I put anything, let's say 77 age, let's say 34 age, let's say 55 age. So you see formula already I copied. Again, if you are not sure, I can copy again here. So because here no value is automatically too young is coming. So here we can see these are the values which are coming. So I'll go further and to complete my Excel point. So this is what we did, formula, and some last point was some miscellaneous features. So I already covered the free span. I covered the chart, but now page border was left. So let's talk about how to make the page border in this particular thing. So first thing you do is very important is the print. So just to see where is my page and coming, so what border. So I need to see this dot. So this is a page. So one thing is very important. You want to have a page border. So you select all the lines until the here. You see, this is the page 2. So I'm going to select page border. So here we first need to select the page. Then we go to home tab, font and border. So we are in home tab already and font, and then there is a border. So here we have interesting border. Here we can have the outline border other, but this is interesting also. We have upper border, we have lower border, we have left border, right border. We don't want the middle one. Okay. So and then style we can select maybe any. Okay. And color we can select also. So let's say solid one. Okay. So this is the page. So if I go back to the preview, print. So look at this. This is the page border. Now we can have a small borders also on the text also. So let's talk about, I want to have a border here. Let's say first border here on the rules. Okay. And then we go to the font. Okay. Directly we can go here. And from here, we can select the all borders. So this means all borders are coming. Okay. So this is all border means line, rows and columns. And here, if I want only the border upper, the outer borders, so outside border only. So look at this. It is not coming the rows border and the column border. If I want only the column border, middle one, again the font, and the middle one border here, the middle one is this one. So the vertical middle one. So vertical middle one is coming. You want maybe someone in the middle of the particular cell, horizontal only one. This is possible also. So here it is the end of my Microsoft Excel. What I'm going to do next time, I'm going to upload a few minutes more videos for Microsoft PowerPoint, which is left behind. So hopefully I will be handing over these videos to the Shafiq Saab and Dr. Ahmed, so that they will be sending you the link. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.